In this video, I'll show you how to increase a position on Bybit so you can add size to an open trade safely. First, open the Bybit app and log in. Go to Derivatives or Trade, then open your Positions tab. Tap the position you want to add to, like BTC/USDT, to bring up the position details. Now decide how you want to increase it. The most common way is to place another order in the same direction. If your position is a long, you'll place another buy/long order. If it's a short, you'll place another sell/short order. Choose your order type. Mark it to add instantly at the current price, or limit to add at a specific price. Enter the additional size you want to add, then double-check your leverage and your margin mode, cross or isolated, because adding size increases risk. Update your stop loss and take profit if needed, then tap Confirm to place the order. Once it fills, Bybit will combine it into your existing position and update your average entry price. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.